In this video, I'll show you how to add accessories to NPCs in Roblox. Let's dive right in. Open Roblox Studio and load your bus plate or project. Go to the Plugins tab at the top of the screen and click on the Rig Builder plugin, which comes with Roblox Studio. In there, select the type of rig you want. For example, choose R15 Black Rig. Now open your web browser and go to the Avatar shop in Roblox. Find the accessory you want to add to your NPC, such as a hat, hair, wings, etc. Copy the asset ID from the URL of the accessory, and the asset ID is a string of numbers found in the URL of the accessory page. Back in Roblox Studio, go to the View tab and open the command bar. In the command bar, type the following script. Just replace insert asset ID here with the asset ID you copied and dummy name with the name of your NPC. And press enter. Now, locate the newly added accessory in the workspace. It might be floating or not positioned correctly. Move the accessory into the NPC model. You may need to adjust its position to fit properly. Also, delete any unnecessary models or assets you no longer need. Now your NPC should be wearing the accessory you added. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos and tips